welcome back to BuonaPappa. Today we're going to prepare a baby recipe using tofu, so a vegetable source of protein. We're going to prepare together tofu, apricot, mango, pear, baby puree. And the recipe is suitable for babies starting from 8 months of age. Why 8 months? Because tofu, as I said, is a lovely source of proteins, vegetable one, but being soy-based, it's kind of difficult to digest, so it's recommended starting from 8 months of age. And before, it might be just a bit too much for your little one's tummy. The recipe is super simple, and also tofu is a great finger food if you want to adopt a baby-led weaning method. You simply take the tofu, chop it in small pieces and offer as a snack or as a meal to your little ones. But let's start together our recipe. First thing to do, we're going to take a paper towel and gently press the tofu to get any extra water out. And which kind of tofu to use for this recipe? I'm using the super firm one. Then I'm going to cut the tofu in cubes. I'm going to take my apricot and remove the seed inside. I'm going to peel the mango and cut it in pieces. Core my pear and cut the pear in pieces too. And I'm going to leave both the peel of the pear and the apricot because they will give more nutrients to the baby puree. And as I'm going to serve the baby puree to babies at around 8 months of age, their digestive system is strong enough to easily digest the fruit peel. In a food blender, I'm going to add the tofu, the apricots, the mango and the pear. If needed, you can add some thinning liquid of your choice, few tablespoons at a time. And if you want to learn more about how to thin your baby food, you might want to check this video too. And simply blend up until smooth and soft. This is a super healthy and lovely baby puree. This time I use tofu in a sweet recipe, but tofu is so versatile. Basically has such a blend flavor that you can use it for savory or sweet recipes too. I really hope your little ones are going to enjoy this recipe. If you're looking for similar ones, simply check all the links in the area here below. That's also where you can leave me comments, and most important thing, remember to subscribe to BuonaPappa. It's totally free and you will receive every single week a new recipe from me. Ciao, ciao, ciao!